Welcome to the review Motorola Moto G22, and I'll show you how to customize Always On Display feature on this device. So first we should go into the Movies Edge application, and now we can select one from this available tabs here, or just to switch. I just have selected this one, but now I'll switch it, for example, to this. Then just click here to apply. We can here change the backgrounds of this tab, for example this one. Click here to apply. We can switch here in the music controls. We can hide them after 30 seconds, 10 seconds, or just don't hide them. We can also to show or turn off the incoming notifications all from different applications. By the same way, we can turn on or turn off the date feature, just to show the date or to don't show it, and to show battery status always while device charging, or just to don't show it. And after that, we can go here into the settings section, click here to the AOD, and now by the same way we can switch here to show the screen AOD adjust feature always while device charging, or also together. We can use these two features together while device charging, and one will play the music, or just separately if you want, or just we can switch it again to the always here. Here we can also switch the screen timeout from 1 minute to just to never. We can increase the brightness level to 100 if you want. Also we can close the AOD by double tap or by single tap on the lock screen. Also if you have just activated the fingerprint scanner here, so we can close with the fingerprint if you want. Also we can set the start and end time to turn off the or turn on the AOD feature here. So that's how to customize Always On Display feature on our Motorola device. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.